Grace and Stella blue under eye patches instantly make you look more awake, even if you're running on caffeine like I am most of the day. So this is a box of 24. So 24 pairs, very nice, big, substantial quantity. This is what it looks like. And once you open it up, this is what you got. These deliver a refreshing chill that makes your eyes feel alive again. I loved the instant cooling effect. These are not thin. They are substantial. They do not rip when you put them on. And for me, in my test usages, the puffiness did fade. And it seemed like the lines softened, and the under eye area looked brighter in minutes. These are clean, these are vegan, and these are gentle. These are just perfect for everyday use. So my experience, as I said when I first applied, I love that cooling. It kind of feels like heaven, soothing, calm, and energizing all at once. These did not slip. I did not have to fuss with them. They stayed put when I got ready, and after 20 minutes, I just took them off. My eyes looked smoother, more hydrated, and most importantly, rested. So the final verdict here. Grace and Stella definitely nailed this one. Easy to use, immediately effective, which was my experience, and honestly a little addictive once you see the difference. These are so perfect for mornings, for travel, or a little pre-event boost. I will absolutely be continuing my use of these. These are my new self-care essential. This video was sponsored by Grace and Stella. The opinions and the results are my own.